A lot of you content creators, when you're creating content, you have a hard time keeping your eyes looking directly into the camera. You probably noticed that I wasn't looking in the camera myself, huh? And some of y'all also be wondering, how do they put them words on the video? Well, today, we killing 2 birds with 1 stone.
Oh, if I had wings like this dove, for then will I fly away and be at rest.
Check out this new video from Nikki.
The app is called Captions Literally. Real quick, it does what I recorded, and I want the AI emphasis, meaning it's going to automatically emphasize the words. As you see, it creates the captions as well, which is really dope. So this is the second part I want to show you. They have AI contact, meaning if you were looking a little bit down, AI is going to make it look like you're always looking at the camera. On the left is me, what we recorded. On the right, you can see it's always going to have eye contact. So I may be, if you look a little bit on the left, I may be looking a little bit down, right? But on the right, I will always give you eye contact. Tell me this is not fire.
Now, before you leave and think that, oh, I done learned how to do captions, so my videos is about to blow up, nah. Knowing how to do captions is cool, but knowing how to tell a story, make it engaging, and bring value is the real key. In other words, putting icing over some bad cake is still bad cake.